Hi everyone, it's Norma from Immerse Hebrides here. I have sent you a kit list for your holiday, so you might have some questions about what you should bring, what do you need on a daily basis. And actually it's the daily basis thing that's more important than anything, because we're going to be outdoors every day. So I've recommended 2 kit bags for a reason. One rucksack for your back, which carries your dry and your wet gear, and also a dry bag that carries your wet gear. So one big rucksack. If it's a waterproof rucksack, great. And then you can also have a dry bag with inside your rucksack that holds your wet gear. So let me show you the kit that I would take every day that I go out for a swim trip. So I have got here my kit bag, which is a 60-litre rucksack, and it carries everything that I need on a cold and windy wet day. That will carry everything I need, that rucksack. I also take a tow float. Now the tow float here is a dry bag tow float. It's got a compartment in it. And the reason this is helpful is because it doubles up as a tow float dry bag. So you could put all your swim gear, all of this swim gear here, you can put that inside your dry bag while you're walking. And then you can pop your, including your wetsuit if you're wearing a wetsuit, you can pop your robe on top of all of that, and with your lunch gear on top. Looks like a lot of kit. Test it all out and see if you can fit in all the gear that you take on a daily basis on your swim. Make sure the rucksack is big enough to pack everything, and test it out before you come up here. Try it a couple of times. I know that some people are like, what do I need to bring? You know, so try it a couple of times and see how things go there. All right, get back to me if you've got any questions on that, and look forward to seeing you in the summer.